In this video, we will show the best DSLR camera for beginners in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Nikon D3400. At number 2, Nikon D5600. At number 3, Pentax K50. At number 4, Canon 200D. At number 5, Canon 1300D. At number 6, Canon 800D. At number 7, Sony Alpha 68. At number 8, Nikon D5300. At number 9, Canon 750D. At number 10, Canon 1500D. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.